If you get this error code 8001 in Dead by Daylight with a message say cannot connect to online services, please try again later. Now listen to this tutorial very carefully and I'll guide you on how to resolve this problem. Now an error code 8001 in Dead by Daylight usually occurs when there is a connection issue on the end, either due to servers being down or during maintenance. You can go to their X or Twitter page. They normally announce if their servers are down or if there is any issue on their end. As you can see, just yesterday, they say there is an issue affecting Xbox and Microsoft Store. So when they announced this, a lot of were facing this error code 8001. So you can just go to their X or Twitter page just to check if they announced it. And when they announce it, just try to wait until the issue will resolve by itself. However, you can try the following fixes below here. Try to restart your device, console or PC, and the router, then relaunch the game again. So you can try to restart your device. It can be console or PC, and then with the router, and then relaunch the game again. Also, try connecting to a different network, such as using your phone hotspot or a different Wi-Fi network. Also, if you're on Xbox, you can try this. Factory reset your Xbox console, but choose to keep games and apps installed. To factory reset your console, go to Settings, select System, select Console Info. Select to reset console, choose reset and keep my games and apps. Also, if on PC, just make sure to disconnect from any VPN and temporarily disable your Windows firewall. To disable your Windows firewall, just to test, temporarily disable it by typing here on the search bar, type Windows Security, and open the Windows Security application. Now select here on firewall and network protection and make sure to temporarily disable this for all, which is domain network, private network, turn it off. Also public network, turn it off. Or the best way, you can add an app through firewall for your Dead by Daylight application, add it through here, and then try to relaunch the game and check if the problem has been resolved. If it all fails, the best thing is to do is to wait for a few hours, allow up to 24 hours, and to try again, since the game servers may be temporarily down. Just keep monitoring on the X or Twitter page. As you can see here right now, there is an issue. That's why a lot of people are facing this record 8001. So keep monitoring the X or Twitter page, but you can try these fixes. If it all fails, just allow up to 24 hours and the issue should just resolve by itself.